Hi guys, I'm Mrunalini and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is all about my third day in Yellowstone National Park. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. There is another amazing national park near the Yellowstone National Park, that is the Grand Teton National Park. It is in the beautiful town Jackson Hole, where we are planning to take the gondola ride and have a river rafting experience. Jackson Hole is about 57 miles from Yellowstone National Park from the south entrance, and that is the shortest path. But it was closed because of the heavy snow. So we took another path that is from the west entrance. So it was about 127 miles, which took us almost 2.5 hours to reach there. But it was totally worth it. Just look at the scenic views. So here we began our river rafting experience on the Snake River. The duration of river rafting was 3.5 to 4 hours. The river was smooth. We just need to sit back and enjoy the gorgeous scenery. It was very scenic and relaxing rafting experience. And the bald eagle were amazing to see in the trees.
Typically a little bit more south. Grizzlies all going to be found a little more north. Grand Teton, Yellowstone National Park. Anybody skis board on the boat? Used to? Anybody do that before? You guys been out to Teton Village yet?
This brings an end to our river rafting tour. After that we had lunch in this beautiful town. After that we had some time left, so we decided to take a gondola ride, but it was closed because of the heavy snowfall. The weather was getting bad and we had a long route back to the hotel. So we skipped the Grand Teton National Park and we decided to go back to the hotel. like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification button to get the notification of my latest upload video. Thank you and goodbye.